Take a ride in the 2023 Sprinter. For those with a job to do, look no further. The Mercedes Sprinter is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.